chewing on his toes.
Yeah. I'm not just mentally exhausted, I'm physically exhausted too.
Hey, budgie boy. His name is Lucky. I'm videoing now.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You can talk to him.
I'm tired.
He's not even interested in your little dangly earring yet. He was chewing on my ears and my scarf and everything like crazy yesterday at Gail's house. Are you talking, little sweet nothings? Fun. He doesn't even know what to do, he just keeps yanking on it.
You're not going to ruin that, are you?
No, they actually don't bite that hard, even when they bite hard.